Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to reduce lag Roblox Laptop. Chapter 1. How to reduce lag Roblox Laptop adjusting power plan. To start, enter power in the search box. Click Edit Power Plan. Next, go to Power Options. Here, check the box High Performance. Chapter 2. How to reduce lag Roblox Laptop updating Windows. To get started, press Start and open Settings. After this, in Windows Update, click on Check for updates. You can check whether or not there are updates for the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. How to reduce lag Roblox Laptop from game mode. To start, enter Gaming in the search box. Click on the option to Game Mode Settings. You're going to confirm that the Game Mode switch is active. After that, click on Graphics. Now click on Browse and you will go to the path where the Roblox shortcut is located. Click on Add. After this, in Roblox, click on Options. You are going to activate the High Performance option. Select Save. Chapter 4. How to reduce lag Roblox Laptop configuring appearance. To get started, enter Performance in the search box. Choose to adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. In the pop-up window, check the box Adjust for best performance. Click Apply and OK. Close the windows. Chapter 5. How to reduce lag Roblox Laptop managing graphics card. In this case, you can open the utility integrated into your graphics card to configure its configurations as the system hardware allows. Chapter 6. How to reduce lag Roblox Laptop from app. To start, open the Roblox app, click on the menu and then click on Settings. Now go to the Privacy section and in the options Who can text chat with me in app and Who can text chat with me set No one. Chapter 7. How to reduce lag Roblox Laptop from Task Manager. To start, open the Task Manager from Start. After that, you will go to the Startup Apps section. Here, select the enabled apps and tap on Disable. Chapter 8. How to reduce lag Roblox Laptop deleting temporary ones. To start, in the search box enter %temp%, click on File folder. Now select all the elements and click Delete. You may need to confirm this process or perform a task for objects that cannot be deleted. Chapter 9. How to Reduce Lag Roblox Laptop Disabling Security. To start, enter security in the search box. Click on Windows Security. Now you are going to go to Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Settings. After that, disable the switch Real-Time Protection. Chapter 10. How to Reduce Lag Roblox Laptop Freeing Up Space. To start, enter disk in the search box. Open the disk cleanup option. Select Drive C in the pop-up window. When the content loads, check the boxes you are going to delete. Click OK and then delete files to confirm this action. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.